Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming back. Hormones, blood flow and nutrients are three major hair growth activators. If you stay consistent with this recipe I'm about to share with you for 6 to 8 weeks, you'll realize tremendous results with the growth of your hair, so please continue watching. First ingredient is cloves. I actually have two recipes for you in this video, so if cloves are a problem for you, still continue watching. So measure a tablespoon of cloves, add about half a glass of water or less, and then bring that to a boil. Cloves contain eugenol, which is a compound that promotes blood circulation to the scalp. And like we said earlier, blood flow is a major hair growth activator. An increase in blood flow stimulates hair follicles, which encourages hair growth. So cloves are equally rich in vitamins and minerals and antioxidants, which make for a greater part of the nutrients that we need for our hair to grow. Let that boil for 1 to 2 minutes, then completely turn down the heat and introduce our second ingredient, which is a tablespoon of coffee. Aside the fact that coffee is rich in antioxidants and that caffeine in coffee equally stimulates hair follicles and increases blood circulation, caffeine equally counteracts the effects of DHT, which is a hormone that is associated with hair loss. Leave that for 2 hours to mix and for the ingredients to release their properties in the water. While that is going on, go ahead and prepare your aloe vera gel. So these aloe vera leaves have been sitting in water for the past 20 minutes so that the yellow sap, which can cause irritations on the scalp, can be removed. After washing your aloe leaves, remove the sharp edges and then cut open the leaf and scoop the gel with a knife or with a spoon. The benefits of aloe vera for our hair are enormous, and I'm sure you already know that, so we're not going to dwell on that, okay? After extracting your aloe vera gel, go ahead and dice the gel. Dice it into very thin sizes. I mentioned that we had two recipes in this video, so after dicing the aloe vera gel, I'm going to divide the gel into 2 portions, one for each recipe. Now it's been 2 hours, so I'm going to pour the cloves and coffee water alongside the cloves bud into a bowl containing the aloe vera gel. This is why we do not need so much water to boil the cloves and the coffee. You notice that after 2 hours, the cloves are already soft and we're sure that the properties have been released into the water. So mix that very well with the aloe vera gel, mix it very well. And the next thing to do is to go ahead and strain that. After straining, add our last but not the least ingredient, glycerine. So we don't need so much glycerine for the recipe, just add a little amount of it. I'm going to tell you why we don't need a lot of it as we go along in the video. So glycerine is a natural humectant, which means it attracts moisture and stores it. So yes, it can attract moisture from the environment and store it in our hair. And by so doing, helps to keep our hair moisturized for a much longer period of time. And this will go a long way to counteract the drying effect of cloves. And now, this second recipe is for you if cloves have proven to be damaging for your hair or if you just need options. So add a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds to a pan and a tablespoon of coffee. And to that, add hot water. You can leave it overnight or just leave it for a few hours. I left mine to infuse for 3 hours. Always remember to use coffee that has caffeine in it. After soaking the fenugreek seeds and the coffee for a few hours or overnight if you choose to, mix that with the aloe vera gel, which I already showed you how to prepare. Mix that very well and then go ahead and sieve it. So fenugreek has a very rich nutrient profile which goes a long way to promote hair growth, prevent hair loss, improve scalp health, strengthens our hair, conditions our hair, and does a lot more. Now, combining this nutrient-rich fenugreek with coffee that increases blood circulation to the scalp and also blocks the hormone responsible for hair loss, your hair will definitely grow so much if you stay consistent with using it. And aside stimulating hair growth, other conditions are still necessary to maintain the health of our hair. One of such conditions is moisture, and this is where aloe vera and glycerine comes in. So after mixing the aloe vera with the fenugreek and coffee water, add a little amount of glycerine, and you can also add a few essential oils of your choice if you have them and if you like them. This is optional, okay? After that, add that to your pour that into your spray bottle and go ahead and use it to hydrate your hair. Now, the problem with using glycerine on the hair is that in extremely dry environments, glycerine can pull moisture out of the hair to the environment, which leaves the hair dry, okay? And in extremely humid conditions, too much glycerine on the hair will cause the hair to be frizzy by pulling and storing excess moisture on the hair. And this is where aloe vera comes in. So mixing aloe vera with glycerine will help to neutralize this effect and bring about a balance on the hair, okay? So for best results, always mix your glycerine with aloe vera. Also, do not forget to massage your scalp and to also seal this moisture with an oil or with a conditioner and an oil if necessary. Also, do not forget to trap heat on your hair with either a plastic bag or a shower cap to set these ingredients moving and working effectively. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.